Stand behind your back. Behind your back.
This is so sketchy because of that knife. Because he could fall on it, hurt himself. Like, no one wins in this situation. I think he's got it. Yeah. What if God was one of us? What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos with one goal in mind. That goal is to answer the question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are they doing? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from police activity. Suspect shot in head after attempted stabbing of officer. Never seen it, walking in blindly. I believe that's the best way for you to get a glimpse into how the cop brain is working. Here we go. Oh, hold on. I gotta change my sound. It's not coming. There we go.
What are you doing?
Dad, you ever had sex with your daughter, man? That's fucking pathetic. Yeah, I need the fucking knife in there.
What? Ahtume, please do not do this. Please, come here. Look, please, what are you doing?
What is going on?
TASER!
Okay. If that's the children's father, he should be absolutely ashamed of himself for doing this. Oh my gosh, this was literally not long ago, 12 days ago. He should be ashamed of himself for doing this in front of the kids. So my guess is the police started knocking on the door and that guy was like, nope, not today. And then grabs a knife for whatever reason.
10-4, we have him out here.
Remember, if he comes at them with the knife, he will be shot. That would be justified. A knife is a deadly weapon.
For right now.
These are actually really nice apartments. I would totally live in this area.
Howdy.
Probably not with that guy as my neighbor,
What you
though.
got in your pocket there?
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm saying?
Make it clear to the suspect what's going to happen if he chooses to reach for that knife. I'm all for it. But isn't that racist if they tell him they're going to shoot him? No, they're just letting him know with clear instructions that if he goes for that knife, he will be shot.
You Mason?
I'm not
You a
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just telling you,
Are
if you
you
reach for
Mason?
that knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you a Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not a Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
A Freemason?
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
A stonemason?
what's going on with you?
matter. Nothing. She write that all the time.
What is this?
5:15, Baker. You can cancel the phone. We're 10:06 right this minute.
Okay, I don't know why they haven't said, hey, throw the knife away from you. I guess that would have been what I said before I said, if you reach for it, I'll shoot you. The first thing I would have said is, take the knife out of your pocket and quickly throw it to your side, away from you. That's what I would have said, other than, if you reach for it, I'll shoot you. If he refused to throw it away from him and take it out of his pocket, then I would have said, if you reach for it, then I will shoot you.
So, what's going on with you?
Because there's no reason he
No.
should be reaching
Hold up.
for it
Hold
at
up.
all. Also, approaching them like that, not good.
We need to talk to you to find out what's going on. Yep.
Go ahead, touch me.
All right. All right, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
This is so sketchy because of that knife. Because he could fall on it, hurt himself. Like, no one wins in this situation. I think he's got it. Yeah.
You okay? 5:15, Baker. Shots fired. Start EMS code 3. I got a male subject with a...
Where is the knife? They need to
Gunshot
get the
from the head.
knife away.
You all right? Yes. Are you okay? Yeah.
Wherever the...
think I am.
Okay, they
Stood.
need to get it
One
further
dead.
away. Throw that bitch further. Thank you.
Hey, other 515 out of 5 Baker. The original caller says that he, as a neighbor, hasn't seen anything since. We did just get another caller, says the resident of the home advised the neighbor broke out her window.
What are you grabbing there?
Apartment 335.
Okay, so I don't know if anyone caught that, but the dispatcher just said over the radio that the neighbor broke out their window. So that's probably why he grabbed the knife, I guess. I don't know.
Put that down.
3359.
Put that down.
Good job to seek cover
Put that
behind
down.
this Mercedes.
Yeah, stay right there.
What do you got there? What's
That-
going on today?
That bird's like, I'm
What's
out of
going on
here.
today?
Radio, okay, 1096 right now.
What's the matter?
Right now.
What's the matter? Huh? Well, talk to us for a second.
Have you in route? I'm going to hold you.
What's going on?
You got in your pocket there.
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm
Yeah, but you
saying?
can't arrest me. You Mason?
I'm not
You a
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just
Sir, what
telling
does
you,
that
if you
matter?
raise that knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you a Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
matter.
what's going on with you?
Nothing. She like that all the time.
Perfect. So what's going on with you?
The moment he starts walking towards them is no good.
Well, stop right there. Stop.
We need to talk to you to find out what's going on.
Go ahead, touch me.
God, it's so sketchy how the blade part is out too. Like, who puts a knife, first of all, a kitchen knife, a Michael Myers knife, who puts it blade out of the pocket? Like, who is not putting it in the pocket, handle out?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Put them on your back.
So yeah, he grabs it right there. I mean, there's no other option.
Okay. 515 Baker, shots fired.
There's no other option.
Start EMS code 3. I got a male subject with a gunshot to the head.
He did not listen, so, I mean, that's literally what he was told was going to happen. Again, I would have told him to throw it out of his pocket before anything. That would have been my first orders that I commanded him. And then if he refused, I would have either pulled my taser and then issued the same commands with the taser pulled and told him to throw it away or he was going to get tased. And if he continued to refuse, I would have told him, all right then, if you reach for it or you come at us with it, you will be shot. I think they did a good job other than, you know, telling him to just throw it away. I can understand why some cops don't tell them to do that is because they just don't want the hands to touch the weapon, period. I was never that type. I wanted the weapon off of their body, and if that meant me telling them, because I highly doubt he's like a swordsman and he's going to like, but again, I'll take that risk. I just really don't think he's going to throw it with enough velocity that it like sticks me in the throat. Like, I feel comfortable telling him to take it out of his pocket and toss it to the side. They obviously didn't feel comfortable doing that, and that's fine. They did a good job by telling him, hey, if you reach for it, you will be shot. I give him a B+. A B+. Yeah, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. I often do that. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. It's Friday. Happy Friday. What if God was...